West Texas Cowboys, players all around. We liquor and money, they load it down. So soon after payday, no exchange. You the uncle, he starts playing the game. I'll go check and we will take the name. Hey, me and my uncle, my traders and Mike. I'm their uncle, showing them what to do today, how to make money. 10 a.m. From the trading we've done, 10 trades in UV, live in ACHN in respect to hitting your daily goals at 10 a.m. 15 people have, 5 have not, 1 lost, he's brand new to the room, and 1 paper traded. So when you come to the room, couple of things. The first thing is you get a welcome video. And in the welcome video, it tells you, new traders, you must learn the Mojo scaling methodology and hold off on trading in the first couple of days. Either paper trade or do 1/10 of the size of your normal. You're not looking to make a profit and score. You're looking to learn the scaling methodology. Don't let your lack of knowledge of the trading style cause you to take a loss when the other Mojo traders are taking a profit. It's going to leave a bad taste in your mouth. You're not going to be successful with the team and ruin your chances for a really great trading room and place to score every day. You want to come to an online destination like this, so by 10 a.m., your score done for the day, bang. Don't look for the scores really fast. It's a marathon and not a sprint. If you treat it that way and see the big picture, it will work for you. Guy came in the room today, right off the bat, 2,000 shares of UVXY. If that's 1/10 of his position, he's trading 20,000 shares. His break even was 20.91. We sold right here, 20.85. Sold 20.93. Had 1,000 left at 20.93 out of 3,000 shares. So these guys were easily able to break even. They were probably new, so they lost and panicked, didn't trade it correctly. Where Mojo made money on the stock, and UVXY flat rate trade. ACHN on the ask selling, sold 85, sold 88, sold 90, sold 96, and we bought down here ACHN at 72 to 75 range. Added more at 77 or 59. So there's no way that you couldn't have gotten filled because 77 wasn't even there yet. It was 72 to 75 going lower. Same thing on UVXY. We're buying right here, 2065 to 67. More at 71. It hasn't even gotten to 71 yet. It's at 68. So you don't add till it's 71 and or 56. And we just bought 65 to 67. And that's what we're waiting on right now for the new trade. Me and my uncle riding it out, baby. Markets are closed on Thursday for New Year's, and Friday the MOJO Day Trading Room is closed. Nice. Let's get this UV pumping now. Let's play a little tunage in the room. Got a little audio player. Get a little, where is that? 69? Yeah, it's Hines. We get a little Hines going on it again.
Boy, some ketchup's slow. You mean your mom doesn't buy you Heinz? Look, why should she? Wait till you taste it. Anticipation. Anticipation is making me wait. What do you think? Can I stay over tomorrow night too? Thick, rich Heinz ketchup. The taste that's worth the wait.
Nice. 69. Play the tune of the MOJO Room. You want to see a cool trade? First trade of the day live, 377 to 72, selling it at 85. Look what it did on the open. We sold at 85. Look what it did on the open. 420. 425 on the open. Unbelievable. We made some. 377, 72 range to 85 plus. It was really, really nice. Then what we did is we shorted it up at 25. Covered the short at 12. Covered average at 16. Then we shorted it again at 27, covering under 20. Filled at 18. Shorted it twice, really nice. And then we bought UVXY, and that was the trade with ACHN. And UV just hasn't done nothing, and we're sitting in it right now. And that's really it. So Mojo's already made their money for the day. Welcome new traders to the room. We've had a big influx on the swing trading side right now for Mojo over the weekend. People are starting to recognize the picks. They're looking to do really, really well. And that's it. One we got out of today is China JoJo. Right here. Look what it did today. We had this at 210. It went to 259 right here, China JoJo. We sold up at 56. Here's the alert that went out to all the swing trade subscribers. Usually able to get pretty close to the high. All right, so we're still sitting in the entry position of UV. It hasn't done anything. We're just waiting. It's 10:33 a.m. Waiting for it to go below the high. We're going to buy at 56. Double it up. There's the China JoJo right here. I let the people alerted them at 9:47 a.m. It's going to be closing out the position. And then a couple of minutes later, closed out at 9:55. 8 minutes later, boom, right up to the high, right through 53. There's the high. They're buying it right up there. Went through 53, 58, and hit 59. China JoJo. All right, UVXY, get ready. Going to be adding. Under 2060. I'll grab some right here. Right now, done. 56, 57, done. Just got filled. So don't say that you couldn't get stock on this trade when it goes back up. First buy was a small one right up here where we started the video, and now the bigger one's down here. All right, and that's how the trades work. So now we got a nice, really good average on UV. Stock goes back up to 70, 80. We're looking beautiful. If it even dips again, I'll buy more. I had 3,000 before. I only got 2,000 now. That's it. Bring down the cost a couple of pennies more, and then when it pops back up into the love, we'll sell it. If it stops here and goes back up right now, we make a lot more than if it goes down and then goes back up like we did earlier. Either way, it's hard to lose on these stocks when you scale in, you have buying power, and you have patience for it to move from 50 to 60 instead of buying it all in the 10-cent increment. It lowers your cost. That's what we're looking at. Market to go up a little bit more than to sell off again. So now the room should be filled, and there's a signal right there at 52 with the 264. So you should be filled. Expect to grab more. I'm going to get another 1,000 to get my 3 again on the way up, or even a dip. More under 50. Not worried at all. I love it. And it's just got under 50, 47. Perfect. I'll add 500 right here at 45. Bring it down a little bit more. And then the next 500 will be the same. Back up higher at 53 and or lower. I'm doing 500 more. And all these are just $5 I'm paying for these shares. So it doesn't matter. It's all good. Do 500 more at 53. We sold the last one at 90. It's perfect. It's good trade going on right now. Most people would think this trade's not in line, but it's perfectly in line. Let me pause it for a second. And when I come back on right now, we're at 51. We should be at 61. What I'm going to do, because the volume's light today, is switch to a 1 minute time frame. And you can see we bought down here on the STO dump. Right down here on STO. We bought STO last time right here. And we sold it right there. So now we're doing it again. And we'll ride this thing up to the 80% line, and then we'll ride it right across, just like we did last time. See if it gets to 60, 65, 70. You got the 2 bar going, so we're looking really good on this now. My uncle, he tells me, I listen.
Oh no, it couldn't be. I know my uncle, he's as honest as me. Hey, I was honest as the devil's man to be. One of them cowboys, he starts to draw. When I shot him down low, but he never saw. Shot me another, well, I didn't want no more. You the confusion when the traffic goes. Hey, we hightail it down to Mexico.
Nice. Here we go. 60, guys. Bang zoom. Right on target. We're up on the runway next. Our plane leaves. Take it right up to 70. So let him take it right to 65, 75. See the 5 minute. Perfect bar. Got a hammer going. Real nice hammer going. That's a chart pattern, hammer. Very bullish. Hammer pattern. All right, here we go. Now we're 62. Now we'll go 65. Then we'll jump to the 70. Market's selling off right now. We may even go to 80. So we'll do half and half again. You could see we were buying right here, 53, 45, 55. That's where all the buying took place. The first one was just a little tester position right where it is right now. So that's how you become profitable. You see that, Curtis? New trader to the room, the guy that lost today. You see that, Curtis? There you go. It's all a matter of patience, scaling, where you buy more as it goes down, and buying power. Those are the 3 pillars of MOJO Day Trading. So it's hard to lose. So after we get out of this trade now, I'm profitable in it right now, above 60. Scale out accordingly. I'm going to take a little bit above 60. I'm going to take a little bit at 65. I'm going to take a little bit at 70. I've got patience on this trade. So the market's not flying up and down and doing nothing. I'm going to just leak it out just same way I scaled in. I'm going to scale out. And right now it should be above 60 and I should be on the ask. There we go. So let's pump out of this trade right here through 65 right now. Make some profit. Half and half, and we're looking great. Keep an eye on ACHN. We've done this one twice. Off STO here, sold here. We bought it here, and we sold it up through 13. We bought it here, and we sold it up here. It's touching again right now at 74 and below. skip right back to UV because I got a nice position in the UV. While that's working, just a couple other swing picks that are looking good. ZBB's up 3% for us. What else we got? Radio Shack up 3%. And not much happening on the swing side except for that China JoJo. So right now, UVXY, I'm popping on it right now through 65. Here we go, guys. It's profit time, okay? Leak it out. 1,000 share blocks at a time. 2066 to 70 is the first piece. And right here, we're on it. So selling right now, the EdgeX, that's Allen. Pro Trader Allen just got filled. All the other traders just got filled. 66, 67. Great job. See how it's done when I walk you through the trade? It's like I'm holding your hand, man, with a tight grip. You can't get away from me, bro. You can't lose if you trade on the reservation with Mike. Okay? So right now we're on the S selling through 70. And we'll rebuy back when the hate's there. Right now the love's there. So we sell into the love. We buy the hate. You know why? Because me and my uncle, he told me. I follow my uncle. Yeah, baby. Little Grateful Dead action. Jerry's always been good for my trading. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Keep it profitable. Happy New Year.